today we're doing a vlog. We're going to be introducing some of the team members, and yeah, let's get into it. Selfie!
Welcome to the Supreme Vlog on the Supreme Vlog on the Supreme Vlog.
What's up, guys? My name's Keishan Patel. I'm the manager of the shop, and I basically make sure things run smoothly.
I can't believe it.
Hey, I'm Percy here at Supreme Wraps, the sales manager up here. So 2 phones, lots of emails, and we're making deals happen.
What you working on today?
What's up, dude?
What's up, dude?
How you doing?
My name is Dennison. I disassemble. I tin for the most part, and
My name is Mark, and I work here. I'm Mark, and I'm a wrap installer.
Hola, I'm Ed. I do PPF, wrap PPF.
Hey Ed, what do you do for Supreme Wraps?
Wait. What's up, Fabian? Over here tuning this Tesla right now. They sometimes call me Mr. Tent because of what I do.
Thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate y'all checking out our content. Much more coming soon. Thanks to Maya. Yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next week if Maya doesn't drop.